Hello from Årsta Havsbad. This is beach day number 50 of my Sweden beach adventure this year in Sweden. And to celebrate this anniversary, I have come to a very special location. Yes, this is out on the Baltic Sea, and it's a beautiful sandy beach consisting of two sandy parts. I'm on the one that has less people. I'm going to show you later the other one over there that has more people, but it is quite calm actually on this 13th of June. Wonderful Tuesday, and it's after work hours. It's after 5 p.m. 5:30 p.m. to be exact, and it took me 1 hour and 10 minutes to reach here with my cube. It was total of 32 kilometers from my home, and 10 kilometers of the way I was actually cycling along cars on a very trafficked road, so it was not the best, but I got safe. So it's time to celebrate now, beach day number 50. And for that, we're gonna jump from the platform over there and enjoy the beautiful sea, and then swim and enjoy some more on the beach. So let's head to the platform to jump and enjoy the beautiful Baltic Sea. And yes, it is a very warm day here in Stockholm. Actually, this is municipality Hanninge that this beach is on. And Hanninge is basically on the coast, so it has many different beaches. Some you have already seen. I visited also some lakes in this municipality. But yes, today, right now, it is 24 degrees Celsius in the air and feels like temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So pretty warm, and it's gonna be up to 27 in the upcoming days. So you see, this is the other sandy part. Quite huge. And usually it's populated during the high season, but now it's pretty much empty. So yeah, let's go to the platform and jump from there. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Är det YouTube? Nej, bror, det räcker. Gör den uppåt. Gör den uppåt. Gör den uppåt till någon.
All right.
Hey, والله هتمطر كوب.
There's a beautiful view from here. And there are several platforms to jump from. And obviously I'm going to jump from the highest one because it's beach day number 50. And it's time for celebration. So, are you ready? We're gonna jump in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that was amazing. That was amazing. So there were some teenagers there on the platform that were making some noises. But yeah, they're jumping all around. But yeah, that's summer in Sweden, and people are enjoying the wonderful weather. So yeah, the jump was amazing. I will try to make it a bit of a slow-mo if I can. So yeah, it is very deep here where I am, and I'm approximately 8 meters from the shore. As I walk through this platform, there are, yes, as you saw, there are 3 different platforms to jump from, and of course steps to go in, obviously. Oh, it's a wonderful, wonderful adventure today. So it's gonna be a total of 64 kilometers with my bike back and forth, and I'm gonna enjoy now for, I don't know, 2 or 3 more hours, because the day is getting longer and longer here in Stockholm, Sweden. It's bright pretty much until midnight or even after, and we're gonna have the longest day of the year next week. To be fair, I was in Bergen over the weekend and it was brighter there for quite longer, because it's more north, I would think. But yes, so yes, this is Årsta Havsbad out on the Baltic Sea in Hanninge commune in Stockholm region, and you can reach this beach not just by bike, of course. You can come here by car and even by the public transport here in Stockholm that's run by SL. So you need to take, if you're coming from the center, you need to take the pendeltåg towards Hanninge or Nynäshamn, that goes every 15 minutes or half an hour depending on the time of the day. And then from Hanninge station that people go out, you will need to take a bus. I'm not sure of the number, but it's stated that it goes to Årsta Havsbad or something. And the bus goes every 15 minutes or 30 minutes depending on which time of the day, of course. And I'm standing here on the sand. Yep, this is a sandy beach, so there is sand, of course. And this is natural sand. So, and as the name says, Årsta Havsbad means Årsta ocean beach. Havs is actually translated either as ocean or as sea. What is very strange also is that this sea, in English it's called Baltic Sea, but in Swedish they call it Östersjön. However, the word hön means lake. So basically in the language they are treating it like a lake, but it's a sea. So I don't know, I am not super expert, but I think there is a mismatch between when they say half here, they mean ocean, but then the ocean is made out of sea. However, the lake is not equal to a sea, obviously. Anyway, enough of my logical thinkings here about the language semantics. So, greetings from Årsta Havsbad, and this was beach day number 50. What a celebration, and what a location to celebrate the 50th beach day this year in Sweden. And make sure to follow for more beach adventure coming every day on my YouTube channel, Beach Adventures with Kris. Woohoo! So that was new personal best on 30 kilometers, just under 54 minutes, so around 53 minutes and 55 seconds. So that was exhausting, but also feels very good to do a personal best.